हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. In the last computer class, I have explained to you about the conversions of decimal to binary. तो आज की क्लास में कंटिन्यू करते हैं उसका वाइस वर्सा और हम करेंगे बाइनरीज को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट. ओके, तो चैनल के साथ जुड़े रहिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस चैनल को अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है, बिकॉज एज आई हैव मेंशन्ड इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियोस कि यहाँ आपको 6th to 10th तो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के वीडियोस मिलेंगे, मे बी इंग्लिश, हिंदी, साइंस, एसएसटी, मैथ्स, कंप्यूटर, सभी कुछ. और 10th to 12th आपको यहाँ मैथ्स, कंप्यूटर्स के वीडियोस देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. तो चैनल के साथ बने रहिए, शेयर कीजिए आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए. अगर आप चाहते हैं कोई नया टॉपिक मैं यहाँ पर लेकर आऊं और आपको बताऊं तो प्लीज कमेंट्स कीजिए सो दैट आई गेट अ मोटिवेशन टू improve my channel. Thank you. So let's begin with the conversions of binary to decimal. So let me take an example. Suppose in binary I have 1011. Okay, and I have to convert it into decimals. So what am I going to do? First of all, I will take the same digit whichever is mentioned and I have to start converting it from the right hand side. So at the right hand side I have 1. So I am taking 1. This I have to multiply by the base of binary, which is 2. Okay, and raised to the power 0. The powers of 2 will start from 0, can go on in ascending order, and the same number which is written here has to be written here in the form of multiplication. Then next I have 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. Next digit is 0, so 0 I will take and multiply it by 2 raised to the power 2. And then last digit I have 1 to be multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. As you can see, I have taken the powers of 2 in ascending order. So here I have 0, starting with 0, then 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to solve it. So 2 raised to the power, now first digit is 1, so 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0 gives me 1. As per the laws of exponent, which says any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Here I get 1 into 2. Here 0 to be multiplied by 2 to the 4. And here I get 1 multiplied by 8 because cube of 2 is 8. Now here I get 1, 2, 0 and 8. And if now you have to add all these. So 8 plus 2, 10 and plus 1 gives you 11. That means this binary form is the conversion of a decimal number 11. So how you will write it? 1011 base 2 is equals to 11 base 10. This is how you are going to represent it. Always remember, when we have converted decimals to binary, in that case we have divided it by 2. And here when we are converting binaries to decimal, we have to multiply the digits from the right hand side by 2 and its power keep on increasing in ascending order from 0 to the number that we have to take. Let me take one more example. Let us have 100110. Suppose if I have a number like this 100110. So first of all I am going to take this digit 0 to be multiplied by 2 raised to the power 0. Again I have to take 1 into 2 raised raised to the power 1. Again I have to take 1 into 2 raised to the power 2. Again I have to take 0 into 2 raised to the power 3. Again I have to take 0 into 2 raised to the power 4. And again the last one, 1 into 2 raised to the power 5. Now let's solve this. So 0 multiplied by any number gives you a 0. 2 raised to the power 1, that means 2 ones are 2 you get here. 2 square is 4 and 4 ones are 4. Again 0 multiplied, so gives 0. Here also it gives 0. And 2 raised to the power 5. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. 2 raised to the power 5 gives you 32. Let's add all these. So 32 plus 4 gives 36 and 2 gives 38. So here it is that the decimal of this binary number is 38. So this is how you have to represent it. Okay. If you are not sure whether the calculation is right or not, then what you can do? You can convert 38 back to binary and check whether you get the same digits. I can show you. Let's have a look here. If I take this 38 across check, so dividing by 2 gives 19, means remainder 0. Let me write the remainder here. Then 2 divided, you will get 9 times, remainder 1. Then by 2, 4 times, remainder 1. Then by 2, you divided 2 times, remainder 0. By 2, you divided 1 time, remainder 0. And as this is left 1 as the remainder, so I write it here. So this number is 100,110. 100,110. So that means my question, the calculation is perfectly alright. It's correct. Okay. So this is how you can cross check whether the conversions are correct or not. Let's take one more example so that the concept is clear to you. One. I have taken 4 ones this time. Again the same thing. 1 to be multiplied by this. Then 1 2 to the power 1. 1 2 to the power 2. And 1 2 to the power 3. So this gives us 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 4 and 1 into 8. Here you get your numbers. This is 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Plus 2, 14. Plus 1, 15. So this number is a binary form of a decimal number 15. This is how you are going to convert the binaries to decimal. I hope the solutions are clear to you. It's very simple. And now try it yourself. Here I am going to give you your DIY questions which you need to do yourself so that you understand the concept in a better way. If you have any doubt, feel free to write to me in the comment box. So your DIYs are these are the 3 numbers that you have to convert into the decimals. Post me your answers in the comment box. Let me see how many of you are right. And see you in the next video with more of the conversions. Till then, bye-bye.